Science is a never-ending journey of discovery, and over the centuries, countless incredible scientific discoveries have revolutionized our understanding of the world around us. From the discovery of electricity to the first successful heart transplant, each scientific discovery has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 10 most fascinating scientific discoveries of all time. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. The discovery of the Big Bang. The discovery of the Big Bang is one of the most significant scientific discoveries of all time. In the 20th century, astronomers observed that distant galaxies were moving away from us, and this led to the realization that the universe was expanding. Further observations, such as the cosmic microwave background radiation, provided strong evidence for the Big Bang, a theory that proposes that the universe began as a hot, dense, and infinitely small point around 13.8 billion years ago. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the universe, and it continues to shape our research into the origins and evolution of the cosmos. Number 9. The discovery of X-rays. X-rays were discovered by the German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen in 1895. While experimenting with cathode rays in a vacuum tube, he noticed that a fluorescent screen in his lab began to glow even when it was not in the path of the cathode rays. He realized that a new type of ray was being emitted that could penetrate solid objects, including the human body. This discovery revolutionized medicine and allowed for non-invasive imaging of internal structures. X-rays have been used to diagnose a variety of medical conditions, from broken bones to cancer, and have also been applied in fields such as dentistry and airport security. Number 8. The theory of plate tectonics. The theory of plate tectonics is a scientific discovery that revolutionized our understanding of the Earth's surface and its geological processes. The theory proposes that the Earth's crust is divided into several large plates that move slowly over the mantle, driven by convection currents. This movement results in various geological phenomena, such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the formation of mountains and oceanic trenches. The theory was first proposed in the early 20th century, but gained widespread acceptance in the 1960s and 70s due to advancements in technology and scientific research. Plate tectonics remains a critical area of study for geologists and continues to shape our understanding of the Earth's history and evolution. Number 7. The discovery of the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect, discovered by Austrian physicist Christian Doppler in 1842, is a phenomenon where the frequency of a wave appears to change if the source of the wave is moving relative to the observer. This effect is commonly observed in sound waves, where a moving object like a car or train produces a higher frequency of sound as it approaches an observer, and a lower frequency as it moves away. The Doppler effect has many applications in science and technology, including in radar systems, astronomy, and medical imaging. It has also provided insights into the behavior of light waves and has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Number 6. The discovery of the Earth's magnetic field. One of the top 10 most fascinating scientific discoveries of all time is the discovery of the Earth's magnetic field. This discovery was made in the early 19th century by the French physicist André-Marie Ampère. He observed that a magnetic needle placed at different locations around the globe pointed in different directions, indicating the presence of a magnetic field around the Earth. Further research by other scientists, including Michael Faraday and James Clerk Maxwell, revealed that the Earth's magnetic field is generated by the motion of molten iron in its core. This discovery has had profound implications for our understanding of the Earth's geology and its interaction with the surrounding space environment. It has also played a critical role in navigation, allowing us to use compasses to find our way across land and sea. Number 5. The Higgs boson particle. The discovery of the Higgs boson particle in 2012 is one of the most fascinating scientific discoveries of all time. The Higgs boson is a subatomic particle that was first proposed in the 1960s to explain why particles have mass. Its discovery was the result of decades of research and experimentation, including the construction of the Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest particle accelerator. The Higgs boson discovery confirmed the existence of the Higgs field, a theoretical field that permeates the universe and gives particles mass. This discovery has fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe and the way we study particle physics. Number 4. The discovery of radioactivity. The discovery of radioactivity is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating scientific discoveries of all time. In 1896, the French physicist Henri Becquerel discovered that certain materials emit invisible rays that have the ability to penetrate matter. This discovery led to further experimentation by scientists such as Marie Curie, who discovered the elements polonium and radium and coined the term radioactivity. Radioactivity revolutionized our understanding of the fundamental nature of matter and energy, and had countless practical applications. For example, radioactivity was used to develop radiography, which allows us to see inside the human body without surgery. It was also used in nuclear power plants to generate electricity. However, radioactivity also has potential dangers, as exposure to high levels of radiation can be harmful to living organisms. The discovery of radioactivity continues to be a fascinating and important area of study in modern science. Number 3. The structure of DNA. The discovery of the structure of DNA is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating scientific discoveries of all time. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick proposed the double helix structure of DNA, which revolutionized our understanding of genetics and paved the way for modern molecular biology. This discovery revolutionized the field of genetics and provided a key to understanding how genetic information is passed down from generation to generation. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries genetic information in all living organisms. Watson and Crick determined that DNA has a double helix structure, meaning that it consists of two strands of nucleotides wound around each other like a twisted ladder. This structure allows for the easy replication of DNA during cell division, which is essential for the transmission of genetic information. The discovery of the structure of DNA paved the way for a better understanding of genetics and led to many advances in fields such as biotechnology, medicine, and forensics. It is considered to be one of the most important scientific discoveries of the 20th century and has had a profound impact on our understanding of life itself. Number 2. The discovery of penicillin. The discovery of penicillin is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating scientific discoveries of all time. It was in 1928 when Alexander Fleming, a Scottish biologist, discovered the antibiotic properties of the Penicillium fungus. Fleming noticed that a mold had contaminated one of his petri dishes, and he observed that the bacteria surrounding the mold were dying. He named the active substance penicillin, and later isolated it. This discovery revolutionized medicine and had a profound impact on human health. Penicillin became the first widely used antibiotic and saved countless lives by treating bacterial infections that were previously fatal. It paved the way for the development of other antibiotics and transformed the field of medicine. Fleming received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1945, along with two other researchers, for their work on penicillin. The discovery of penicillin is not only fascinating, but also has had a tremendous impact on our society. It has become a symbol of hope and a reminder of the power of science to improve human health. Number 1. The theory of relativity. The theory of relativity, proposed by Albert Einstein in 1905 and 1915, fundamentally changed our understanding of space, time, and gravity. It introduced the concept that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers, and that the speed of light is constant for all observers. This means that time and space are not absolute and fixed, but instead are relative to the observer's motion and position. The theory also predicted several phenomena that were later observed, such as the bending of light by gravity and the equivalence of mass and energy in the famous equation E equals mc squared. The theory of relativity is a cornerstone of modern physics and continues to inspire new discoveries and technologies. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.